Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Traveler's Choice Lares Softside Expandable Luggage with spinner wheels, a two-piece set in a sleek navy finish. This lightweight luxury suitcase boasts a sturdy frame design and molded base, ensuring exceptional structural stability for all your travel adventures. Its four-wheel dual airplane-style rolling system allows for smooth, 360-degree maneuverability, while the lightweight aluminum handle system with double tubes optimizes interior packing space. The expandable design offers increased packing capacity, complemented by low-profile carry handles, multiple exterior compartments, and thoughtful interior organization, including lid and side pockets and adjustable hold-down straps. Inside, you'll find a fully lined interior with multiple zip pockets and secure tie-down straps to keep your belongings neatly organized and protected. The large suitcase features overall dimensions of 31 by 18 by 12 inches, with packing dimensions of 27.75 by 17.5 by 11.5 inches, while the medium size measures 25.75 by 16 by 10.5 inches overall, with packing dimensions of 22.5 by 15.5 by 10 inches. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, this luggage set is designed to meet all your travel needs with style and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.